It's the trying to be a hairstylist for me. It's the my hair was damaged, so I had to cut my hair for me. Alright guys, so welcome back guys. It's your girl Breanna Kaylee back with her second YouTube video. Yeah, I'm here. So anyways, what I'm gonna be doing is like a hair tutorial. Basically, it's a hair tutorial. I don't really do this type of stuff, but yeah. So okay, so first off, this my handy dandy toolbox. Okay, this gets me through the year. Okay, this gets me through the year. I'm not gonna be using a lot of products. I straightened my hair earlier because I washed it yesterday. I just took out my braids, so I'm gonna be using a wig brush. This is called a wig brush. I call it a wig brush. It's a wig brush. I'm gonna be using Eco Styling Gel. I'm going to be using 24.
But you did this for what?
Why not?
Why?
Why not?
Why though?
It's revenge. What do you mean?
It's the dog barking in the background for me, but I'm gonna be using 24-hour edge tamer. Yeah, and a brush, and a edge brush, two-sided edge brush, and this right here, this helps the little combs. Oh my gosh, y'all will see what I'm talking about in a minute. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to be using the wig brush first. So I'm gonna make sure that I got all the naps out my hair. My hair wasn't nappy, but I got all the naps out of it. So then I'm gonna brush it up into a high ponytail. I'm gonna brush it up like this. Okay, so I brushed it up. Look at me. Period. Go outside just like this. What's up? What's up? Okay, so next, ooh, I look like a troll, but it's okay. Next, I'm gonna use Eco Styling Gel. This right here, I love it. I really, really do. If whoever made this, now this ain't even enough. Whoever made this Eco Styling Gel, let me tell you, you are a lifesaver, okay? So I'm gonna put it all around. Okay, so I put the gel all around my edges. Okay, so this is where the little small brush come in, because you gotta make sure it's slick, okay? Very slick. Okay, so I slicked my hair, but it needs to be slicked down some more. But it's cool for now because I'm not done. So next, I'm gonna use this brush right here. Okay, so I'm done slicking it. Now I got the rubber band right there. I'm gonna put the rubber band. Ooh, put my hair on the ponytail. This be like the hardest part, actually, if you want to be honest. If you really want to be honest, this the hardest part. looks looking right now. But so I put the ponytail in. Now I have to wrap my hair. So my hair is thin because I flat ironed it earlier. So what you're gonna do if your hair thin, you're just gonna brush it the long way so it can get thicker. That makes the hair nappier. You see? If your hair isn't thin like mine, then you can just go straight into the ponytail. So what I do now is wrap it around. I mean, not everything, but I'm here. Okay, so I put it in a top knot. Really, it's not really a top knot, but it's a top bun thingy. So next, I'm gonna do my edges. I just started learning how to do my edges. Literally, like, your girl was struggling. I am a junior. I'm currently a junior in high school right now. And when I tell you, freshman year, I didn't even have edges. My hair wasn't even laid down. It was bumpy and stuff. Like, it was a hot mess, but it's okay because I learned. Like, okay, so sophomore year, that's when I really started to learn how to do my edges, because I was like, oh, because I actually tried, but okay. So now I'm about to do my edges. This is how I do it. I pull from the ponytail. Okay, so this gonna be one swoop. This gonna be another swoop right here. This is gonna be another swoop. This right here is going to be a swoop. This is going to be a swoop. And boom. Apply. So now that you got your hair pulled out, apply the edge control. I'm sorry, but this is the part when I really start focusing on my hair, so yeah. I have a mirror right here, so I'm looking at myself. Okay, so I'm done with like the top edges. So now I like putting sideburns on my hairstyles. So I'm gonna pull here right here for my sideburns. Okay, so I am done. This is how I do my top buns. Thank you for watching. Tune in for more content. It's another video on the way. Literally another video right after this, so it's another one. So yeah, like, subscribe, and share for more content. Thank you for watching my video, and peace.